Team, we've been working on the Bridgewater project for 2 months now! We're running out of time! Jackie Chan! Tell me where we are.
We're hitting all our targets and I don't know.
Chop chop! We don't have time! Get back to work!
Me so hungry.
Hungry, are we? That's okay. Go to grubsquad.com. But worried about your boss creeping over your shoulder? Not a problem. They're that quick. Oh my god, they're here! Grub Squad, wow. On time. Someone confused? Jealous. Say what? That looks delicious. Delicious. Don't play on your phone too long. Bossy might steal a bitey. Grub Squad, exactly what you want, delivered. Stay hungry, my friends.